how to manage all of the active sessions in your Google Colab. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short AI tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can easily manage all of the active sessions that are running in your Google Colab. This gives you a better advantage on managing your resources smartly. So let me show you how to do this. So as you can see, currently I am in collab.research.google.com, and if you wish to see all of the currently active sessions, then let me show you how to do that. First, from here, you need to click onto this tools option, uh, either tools or runtime option. And once you click onto this runtime option, you will see this option that says manage sessions. So choose the manage sessions here, and it will show you the list of all of the active sessions. Currently, I do not have any active session, but in case in your instance it shows any active sessions that you wish to discontinue, you can simply close or stop the same as well from this particular screen only. So that was all about managing the active sessions. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.